I'm ready to paint. Sorry,
Oh, there's ants in this. Darn.
Starting to plant.
How cute.
Makeup, and then washing your face then.
I don't want that.
You still have
What did you say, Sis? Is just trying to get hold of your Greg's over here, Sis. What you gonna do with him? And then they'll stay in the sun. We'll bring them in at night because it'll be cold.
Morning, afternoon, and night. Whenever you're watching. Bye.